Good afternoon, guys. We are going home now. I just finished my duty at 2:30 when I signed out. No, 2:20 something. This morning was really nice. The temperature is really nice. But when I went for break at around 11:30, it was hot and humid. Yeah, and because of this hot and humid temperature today, you're going to see a lot of people. They are, yeah, having picnic. A lot of people there. During my break, I had a coffee. Yeah, and I put it in this, this thermos, and that is around 11 o'clock, 11:30 something. And until now, this coffee is still hot. This thermos is really nice. Yeah, now we are here in the Albura Marina. You can see that there. And at the moment they have this again. If you remember last year, there is that water parks, like a playground. And you notice there are so many people swimming. Yeah, this is the best time, the best day to swim. I'm preparing my breakfast. I'm going to cook this. This is saba banana turon. So basically this is just like a spring roll but banana, Yeah, this is product of the Philippines. I bought it from the Asian store, just in the center. Yeah, so this is going to be my lunch. Okay, it's now 12 o'clock, 12:05. Oh, oh, my laundry outside, it's dry and it's pulled down on the ground. I'm going to pick that up. It's also cooked already, the rice. I'm actually hungry again, I eat at around, what time is that? 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock? When I eat the turon, the banana. It's 12:05 and I'm hungry again. Yeah, I'm going to eat rice. I just need to pick up that. I'm going to call you later. Stay there. It is windy outside. Okay, I will just have this one. This miso soup. Yeah, we're just going for it to boil. And then we just adjust the taste by adding salt, pepper. And we'll be ready to eat. I'm going to eat it with rice. I will put also egg. How many eggs? I have just 3 left. Yeah, we just wait for that to be boiled. From yesterday. I will clean that later. So it is boiling now. It's dry. How it tastes. Oh, not the best, but need some more seasoning or something. Salt is just enough, just right. Alright, it's okay. Because I just want to eat rice. That's why I have that. So rice is okay. Maybe I will put some soy sauce on the rice. Yeah, I will do. Oh, it's here. I will keep some for tonight. When I get home tonight, that is what I am going to eat again. Just going to add a little soy. And that's it. If you remember, I mentioned to you before that when I was very young, In the Philippines, I was eating just rice and soy sauce. That's it. And oil. Good morning, guys. Yeah, already almost 9 o'clock. I'm now having my coffee. Yeah. Hey, you notice this? Yeah, because this one was here. Has been here for since I come here. I realized this is supposed to be here because this is something like a protection for this thing, because this is not concrete. This is something like a sticker. And I am cooking my breakfast. I already put the garlic without the oil yet. Wow, looks 2 pieces of big fish. You also put some tomato. Just one. I put some water. Okay, I think it's done. Good morning, guys. At the moment we are having our lunch here. The time now is 11:24 and my duty today is at 12 o'clock. I wake up this morning around 6 o'clock, and then I went to the computer, did some editing, watching videos, and then I am lazy to cook my food. That's why I end up eating here. Fried rice and spring roll. We're going now. It is 11:30. Yeah, I still have 30 minutes to get to work. And they have chayote and other vegetable in there. Nice sayote, you can see that. It feels hot and humid today. Also a little smoky. Yeah. This is the Red Cross store. As you can see, just $5. Yeah, most of the products they have are donations.